And this one, comrades, I know it may create problems, but comrades, we must be very firm now. Comrades, we can't have an informal settlement where over 65% of its citizens are undocumented foreign citizens in our own country. It must come to an end. We must be very firm on these things.
We are not apologetic about arresting employers who are employing illegal foreign immigrants. We are going to arrest every illegal foreign immigrant working in our country.
Dithi politician efana nami xa izenza bhetele ibona umntana ephalazwe si-stress ne-depression ithi liphara. Iphara lethu ngubani? Yi-neglect karhulumente.
Kula police station yaseBeacon Bay amapolisa apha ayavotisa ngoku avotisa abantu abawafunayo ama-foreigner nabangawafuniyo. Asiyazi noba nina apha esipoliseni ninendawo yokuvotela ama-foreigner na.
Namhlanje ama-security companies eSouth Africa ahlome ngendlela sabaka ahlome namabhanoyi aneyibhame enkulu kodwa wangaphandle.
There is no child who can be a citizen of a country if none of his parents are a citizen of that country. So in this case, if both the two parents are non-South African citizen, even if you were born in South Africa, you do not become a South African citizen.
Everything that is outside the store must go inside the store. We're giving you a few minutes. When we come back, everything must be inside the store.
Listen to me, I'm talking to you. You must invest a minimum of 5 million. I am telling you. What? Yeah, you are not investing by opening a shop yet. You are not investing.
Phakathi nawo lamakula lana babhokile bathi bona bayindawo. Bathathe over lendlu lena abanikazi bendlu abasahlala endlini sekuhlala bona.
Akusisomalia e-proper park umphakathi baphethe neibhamu kuthusela abantu bathi bona abayindawo amaphoyisa angikaze abayenze next.
South Africa is currently going through a very serious religious takeover, you know, and it's not because we hate that particular religion or those particular religions. It's because those religions are not who we are.
Loop vir jou land. Maak vir jou country. Staan saam.
Currently, after the taxis closed the roads, we're sitting with opportunistic looters who started destroying property and looting.
We are going to do your job ebefanele bani yayenza nina. Eni ibhatalelwayo thina sibe singayibhatalelwa nani.
Akukho province ayigezela uJulius ngathi Eastern Cape. Uyathanda ukuthi Eastern Cape abantu bakhona underdeveloped into diyaphela impompo nami ndingayiboni le development kodwa bayangcola pha.
Please, this is a Nigerian embassy. Please, today's date is what? 11 August. Please, this is a Nigerian embassy house. Yeah?
Do you see that guy that passed away down the road and was shot? He came and did exactly what we're doing. He made someone shut down his tuck shop. By the time he got home, no, you can't say you don't do like that.
Ukhona ukholile macingwane ukhona. Macingwane ukhona ukholile. Kuwe no Jacinta no Phakela ukhona ukholile sivale lapha.
This is Open Up Podcast. Welcome. In this long video, each and every person that you have watched and you have seen speaking is part of this video. But it's very important for you at home to not just watch the intro part. You must watch the whole video so that you can understand the context of what these people are talking about. Look, we are in a season whereby we're going to have elections in November, right? Because I'm saying this because of, if you watch this video, you'll understand the tone. You'll hear exactly what I'm about to say now. The tone is changing. The tone is changing when you are hearing the political leaders, especially the ones that are from the ANC, Remember when the March and March was starting and when it was still new, they used to comment Abo Fikile Mbalula and we had also Thabo Mbeki and many more. They were against the march, and people like Abu Jacinta, Nabo Phakile Mthakathi, Nabo Ngizwe. But in this video, you will hear a lot of them starting to now sounding as if they agree with March and March, or they agree with South Africans who has been crying and complaining about illegal immigrants that are here in South Africa. Please make sure you like this video, you subscribe to this channel, and also share your comment at home so that I can understand you at home with what do you think about things that are taking place here in South Africa. Without any waste of time, let's watch.
Abangenelani phakathi ngofuna ngabe uthela phezulu. Awepho lamanzi lawa. Maningi amanzi swami, wethu balikumbe kanje. Akafuni la. Hawu Jesse, impahla zabantu. Yabona uliphaphi selikumbe kanje. Amanzi wonke la. Ikikuyena umelelo. Ah, buka kuhlula iloya webhakede. Webhakede, buka webhakede. Ha, uhlula webhakede. Ah, labantu izinja labantu. Izinja labantu agibele ngani phezu komkhufu. Wafuna agibele la. Yabo umlilo uya ngapha. Ufuna ugibele ngapha. Yakhona ngapha ucini. Noma khamele webhakede. Umlilo uya ngapha. Khamele bhakede. Ah, labantu lapho. Wabhede, khipha ubhede wabantu. Wabona gibela kubenza ngomkhulu. Umlilo ufihle ngala. Noma ungilona amela. Ufihle apha lapha.
When there are these activities that are taking place in the country, I'm talking about the protests and these marches that are taking place in different provinces here in South Africa. There are people that will take advantage of that. There are criminals that sees these things as opportunities. I remember in these videos that I'm posting, there's a clip that I posted. It was part of a long video like this one. They were stopping, the protesters stopped this gentleman that was driving a scooter as a Checkers. I commented about that. I even made comments even before that video that Checkers is hiring illegal immigrants. And these companies that delivers food for us, because I even went as far as mentioning the areas where I was referring to, or where I'm based, saying each and every order that I've received, and whenever you are doing an Uber Eats, you will find illegal immigrants delivering it using the scooters. I made comments of asking is that a scarce skill, Okay, that was then. But I don't like what you've just watched in the first clip, whereby some South Africans will take advantage now of robbing these guys, because this is not what we are fighting for. We're not opening opportunities for criminals, So I found it, a lot of comments were also happy about the neighbors, the people that came and ran after those two guys that robbed the scooter man, the delivery guy, So at least there is Ubuntu, because if we didn't have Ubuntu, those neighbors wouldn't bother running after the criminals that just robbed the guy or a scooter. Share your comment in the comment section and let's keep going.
I went to an area called Merimi. And I can tell you, comrades, it's not Merimi alone. There are many other similar things that are like in Merimi. Comrades, we can't. And this one, comrades, I know it may create problems, but comrades, we must be very firm now. Comrades, we can't have an informal settlement where over 65% of its citizens are undocumented foreign citizens in our own country. It must come to an end. We must be very firm on these things, comrades. And no one must characterize this otherwise. There is no country that can agree that you have people that you don't know who they are, where they come from, where they sleep, what they do, and they are in our country doing as they wish. That period of
babuye bazohlala endlini bangaphangeli baphele bengena kwiziyobisi. Izithi politician efana nami xa izenza bhetele ibona umntana ephalazwe si-stress ne-depression ithi liphara. Iphara lenziwe ngubani? Yi-neglect karhulumente. So kufuneka ngokwesitshintsha indlela okwenza silungise ukuhlala kuba uba sinawuyenza loo nto. Uyazi inhliziyo yami ebuhlungu ngenye imini, akukho province ayigezela uJulius ingathi i-Eastern Cape. Uyathanda ukuthi i-Eastern Cape abantu bakhona underdeveloped, into ndiyaphela impompo nami ndingayiboni le development kodwa bayangcola pha ne. But indlela abayigezela ngayo le Eastern Cape iba ngathi singongqondwane okanye sinqathu thina. Ubuze ba kanti xa besinqaku kangaka silikhulule njani ilizwe loMzantsi Afrika balikhulule apha, kodwa ngosiyinhlekisa. Ibhlungu into ba ungathi wena uproduce inkokheli zokukhulula le country, utsawugqiba kwi-matric results uzawumana ukekela ufifitekisa ukhangela igama le-Eastern Cape awulibona uba lindawo lisezantsi.
Okay, this is what I was talking about in the beginning of this video, that now the tune has changed now, We are hearing different tone now, I'm saying this because in the beginning of this protest or march and march, we had a lot of members from the ANC criticizing the people that are protesting, calling them names, But now, if you have noticed, things are changing. Things are changing, as you have heard from the men from ANC, also saying, no, we cannot allow this anymore. We should stop this. It's like now they are agreeing with the protesters. They are agreeing with the people that were marching or that are marching, that has been complaining and saying, we are tired of illegal immigrants that are here in our country. But now they are changing the tune altogether. I don't know if it's because of the elections that are around the corner or they are really feeling for South Africans at this point. I'm not talking about Ngabayomuzi Nkwankwa. Because of EUDM, I had this probably the third time in this part of this long video. I've included him 2, if not 3 times before in these videos, because they actually stood up in parliament and support March and March and said each and every foreigner that is here in South Africa that illegally they must go. The EFF is the only political party that still stands firm in the decision that they've taken against South Africans. Share your comment in the comment section and just keep going.
Yeah, please, this is a Nigerian embassy. Please, today's date is what? 11 August. Please, this is a Nigerian embassy house, and today's date is 11 August. These are the remains of the 34 people who have been sleeping outside the embassy gates for the past 2 months. And the commission has been giving us promises that they are going to take care of us, and of which we patiently have been waiting. We have been waiting for the past 2 months till last night when they came, and finally they ended up in fetching some of us and left most of all these people you see here now behind. And we are just doing this video not to create problem or to harm anyone, but rather we are just doing this video to notify the public and the government and all the people that are concerned, especially the commission. We are appealing to our president, Ahmed Tinubu, and all the government officials who are in charge of this great commission, Nigerian embassy. We are asking that the government should come to our aid. We are asking that the government should come to our aid. All these people you are seeing here, please, can we see your face? Because end of the day, they know us all. They know us all. They know us all. So we are appealing to the government. We are appealing to the commission. We are appealing to all that are concerned, the good Samaritans, people who can help us. Let them not forsake us here. Let them not forsake us. We are pleading. We are pleading. We are loyal to whatever situation or condition they give us, provided that you people will take us home safely. Please, you people must not punish us because of this video, because we are scared. And that's why we are doing this under this rain. As you can see, it's raining on us. We have no place to stay. And the commission did not give us accommodation. You can see this early morning, it's raining all over. And we have been pushed out of the embassy house without any shelter. Please, we are just looking for help. We are just looking for help. We are just looking for help. Thanks, and may God bless you for all who may be concerned and are willing to help and can help us. Please, if there's anybody who wants to say something, let him say something. Okay. You go. Say it up. Okay. Please, can somebody hold this so myself also can appear? Can someone hold also so that I can also appear? Yeah. Yeah. Go well with us. I just plead it. It's raining. There is no place where we can go. Someone like me, I'm coming from a very distant place. Look, please, where are you?
It's okay.
As I was talking about Julius Malema and the EFF, as Minister, as Ungapayamuzi also referred to him, Julius Malema has said a lot of things when these marches were starting, when these protesters were still beginning, saying they shouldn't do this. Why are they chasing their African brothers away, Look what these guys are there now. Today is the 12th of August. This video was taken yesterday. You're probably gonna watch this one tomorrow. Yesterday it was snowing here in Johannesburg. Even today is very, very cold. But these guys are stuck there outside the Nigerian embassy. Where is Julius Malema and the EFF when these foreigners need them? Because they should be assisting. Just like what happened in Sherwood in Durban. They were quiet. Julius Malema never went there to assist. Or I don't even know if he helped with buses when the Ghanaians wanted to go back to their country. So these people, it's very nice and easy to hold a microphone and speak loud to the public. But when it comes to you helping the people that you've been fighting for against your own people, South Africans, you are nowhere to be found. Not only you, also other leaders from different countries around Africa, they were very vocal. Even Nigerian embassy, they came here, Nigerian leaders, they came here and spoke. Let me take you back a little bit. We had, earlier this year, we had Nigerians who wanted to beg in the East London. That's when the march gained momentum, because that's when Nabongizo, Nabo Jacinta, Nabo Parliament decided to go to the East London and assist the people from East London to stop what was happening there, So that's when we last saw the people from Nigeria. Oh, that's where we saw people from Nigeria coming to speak, to apologize on behalf of their king or their Nigerian leader or whoever he is, They were also busy saying a lot of things on social media. I saw videos of them in their country whereby they were threatening of shutting down companies that are South Africans, that are owned here in South Africa. They were also vocal and saying a lot of things about South Africans, but they can't even assist their fellow people right outside the door in their embassy.
Ngikade ukukhuluma nocingo manje nomunye umuntu othe abekho abantu bafika la ngaphakathi. Yeah. So kodwa sikade ukukhuluma nokhona kade sikhuluma naye la ubani sikhuluma naye. Othe uNdebele. Cela umshayele mfowethu. Uyini uNdebele? Manager yani? Manager security. So unaye uyazi abantu bokufika bekho la ngaphakathi. Manje usho njalo uqinisekisile no ukuthi ngenza ukuthi sibe right ngoba angifuni mina bafethu sigcine sixabana sodwa kube nomuntu omnyama osayida nabelungu yento errong. Yilokho ke ngakufuni. Cha, mshayele kade sikhuluma naye uNdebele. Asimfonele.
Ya yekhapande ayikho kuthina.
Ngicela ukufonela yena nje sisilokhu because uyabona bafethu uyabona manje abelungu ufuna sibalaye manje abelungu. Umsebenzi thina nje ngeke size silwe nani ngama security guards ngeke ngoba sobe silahla umkhondo wento esifuna ukuyisebenza khona nje senzi lo muntu uqeda ukusho ukuthi abantu bafika bakhe nampa bayabaleka ngale ya so sifuna sitshela ukuthi mayethi abekho obani laba babalekayo
sekwase bebalekile ngale
madam lapha enzansi ulephu ubonele ngqo ulephu uyibonele nawe cha undebele athi sikhuluma naye ngocingo uright akusi lo sothi undebele loyo cha uyena impela undebele sifuna ukukhuluma naye sifuna ukukhuluma naye manje ufuna speak ya bese ukukhuluma nawe ya ngizwa so Ndebele buye phethu hamba manje Uzala? Okay, no, Okay. Le enforcement ikofuna ingene lapha. Empeleni thina njengomphakathi sinalo ilungelo lokuvulela lo mlomo icala. Siyakwazi ukuvula icala for violating the constitution of this country because we pay tax. So wonke umuntu siyakwazi ukumholda accountable. So akudingi ukuliwa, ayikho into efuna ukuliwa. Ungaliwa. Benyengisayo nje attitude abelungu balapha basanithatha kancane.
Everything that is outside the store must go inside the store. We're giving you a few minutes. When we come back, everything must be inside the store. You do not rent the pavement. Dumelang. Everything outside the store must go inside. You only rent up until here, not here. This is not your part of your property. Take all your stock inside the shop. You rent up until here. This is not yours. We cannot continue saying the same thing over and over again. As in now, 10 minutes. As in now. The Gucci's are here. I saw Gucci. On Saturdays, this place becomes such a health hazard. Now, when we come and say, then we're going to add the requirements for fire, you guys are going to cry because the way you are handling this place is just not working for you. You guys can't protect profits over the people. So I need you to also take responsibility as business people here because I'll come and camp here, sir. I promise you, I'll come and camp here until you do the right thing.
Morning, madam. How are you? I'm all right. How are you? I'm good, thank you. We have a problem with power in the market for 4 days now. Maybe is there any way we can
Do you see that guy that passed away down the road and was shot? He came and did exactly what we're doing. He made someone shut down his tuck shop. By the time he got home, no, you can't say you don't do like that because it's your brothers and sisters that come here. You open these tuck shops and you think it's your little mansions that you must build here and start killing people for it. It's not the first time we're going through something like this. There's people who are dying. No, but there's people who are dying because you guys want to run these tuck shops by force. If we came into your house and started wanting to live in your house by force, would that be okay?
No, I would respect.
No, yes, respect. Yes, respect.
Let's agree on one thing.
Respect.
South Africans are very clear. They
Respect.
want their town.
We can't be having people dying because you guys
So
want
you
to
guys
run tuck shops.
are going to do the honorable thing. Ours is to fight with government. We'll take them to court. We'll change our laws to ensure that you go. But in the meantime, do you mind just doing the honorable thing? Your brothers have killed over 3 or 4 people. And they're still killing our people because you refuse to give this economy to our people, right?
Okay, as I said, Abo Phakela Mthakathi and Abo Jacinta, they are still on the street, they are still working, they are still doing what they said they will do for South Africa, which is to fight against illegal immigrants that are here in South Africa. Even though uMacengwane has decided to put back and said the different things because he's busy saying different things now. His defense was President Ramaphosa if he wants to speak to the community, he calls another president, who is him, because he's the president of the Bangladesh, right? So that's what he was saying, that he will wait for Ramaphosa. These people, they've started a march because we are tired of the ANC and Ramaphosa. We feel like the ANC has failed its country. Now Ngizwe is changing and saying now we'll wait for Ramaphosa. Okay, Mactumane, okay, fine. Share a comment in the comment section, and we thank Ngizwe. I mean, we thank Uphaile Mthatha, not Jacinta, and many more, because I know many more. I've seen a lot of them doing a lot of job when it comes to checking of documents and checking if people they comply or they have papers to be here or do business here in South Africa. So there are many that has been doing, even though I normally speak about Jacinta and Uphaile Mthatha and Ngizwe. Okay, share your comment in the comment section and let's keep going.
Look here, we are not going into your office. We are asking, where is the lady? Yes.
But don't do it the way you look in.
We are not going to enter without your permission. That's why we're asking from
Then you
you.
ask where is the lady in or not? That's what you're asking. Why do you want to go into the office for?
We don't want to go. We've got a video as well that is going to be issued on the TV. That's why we brought them, because we don't want to seem as if we're trespassing.
I'm within my rights.
We are not going into your office. We're standing here asking you, where is the foreigner that is running a business in your apartment?
There's my office.
You don't know anything about the foreigner that is in your apartment. You don't know it.
My job to point out.
No, I'm asking. Don't you know a foreigner that is in your office? Are you trying to tell me? Are you trying to tell me that you don't know foreigners that are in your apartment?
Please.
You are not involved, yes, and we're not saying you must come and be involved. But we are telling you that this is now after 1994 that you must know. We are demanding our land back from Buddhas like you. Take a video of me. We are demanding our land from people like you who are busy hiding foreigners in your apartments. We are doing that, and this is not just a joke. We are fighting for our kids. Your kids doesn't need drugs. Your kids are not involved in drugs. Why are you so selfish as old as you are? You said that you like what we are doing at first, but now we're asking you about the foreigners that are inside your apartment, and you are telling us that you are not going to answer us. We are going to demand that you remove foreigners in your apartment, and maybe if you want someone to rent, we can bring them.
Don't push us. Hey guys, don't push us to open the store. We will bring you.
You don't know us. Don't push us there.
I can't be for gun. I want for gun for us.
Don't think that you can just because you can't push us. You don't know.
Why don't you come into it in your country? In your country.
I'm not scared.
Why don't you come into it in your country?
You think I am scared for gun?
Go and show your bravery in your country.
Madara, I live it together. Don't do that, Madara.
Go and stand for yourself in your country.
Please, Madara, don't do that. I live it, me and nothing going on.
You know what? This guy, you are in the morning. It's wrong thing.
This guy, which one? Which one is attached?
Ask him. Which one is attached? Ask them. Ask them.
Which one is attached?
This guy come, ne? Okay. That time you are coming. I am protecting one of you. Just you coming and say, shoot you. For what? No, who is that? We are doing this because we are some shoot. Come this side. No, don't worry.
This type of attitude is the reason why we don't want them in this country. This is the type of attitude. This is the reason why we don't want people in this country.
There is this lady that I like to share my videos work. She's the first clip after these clips that we have just watched. I don't know her name, but I found a lot of her clips. I like her because she's bold. You know, she's bold. She has been doing this thing. I don't know if she's part of March and March or I don't know, but she has been doing these things, and she's, as I said, she's brave because of most of the clips that I'm finding of her. She's not afraid to confront the foreigners or the illegal immigrants, even when it's only her as a woman, or in the video we're seeing a lot of men. She just tell it as it is. Share a comment in the comment section and let's keep going.
Security of the country. Senze njani thina? Ngale kokuthi siphethe amaphoyisa, siphethe amasosha. Sathatha lento okuthiwa security companies. Sathi angingichaze kahle nizongizwa kahle. I-security company i-business angithi, kodwa futhi yenzani? Isinikeza security. Kusho ukuthi inezinto ezimbili, the commercial side of it, business, the security side of it. Thina saphakamisa phambili the commercial side. Sangayinaki security side. Sase siyayivulela sathi i-business yathengwa abantu baphesheya, yathengwa ngisho izikhohlakala. Namhlanje ama-security companies e-South Africa ahlome ngendlela sabaka ahlome namabhanoyi aneyibhame ezinkulu kodwa wangaphandle. Ngamanye amazwi, ngoba bayi-security bazi ngisho izinto thina singazazi ngabo ngoba sigada. Nebhizinisi yayo iya kubo, ne-security iphethwe yibo. So nale insika yesithathu siyiphethe nje kodwa kugcwele swi. Lena ke ye-economy ibaluleke kakhulu ngoba iyona yenza ukuthi izwe linyakaze. Uma kuyiyo iyakwazi ukuzimanipulate lezi mbili. Njengoba ngithi nje kwasuka inkampani ephesheya zazothenga inkampani la ze security. Uma benjalo, uyangena uthenga ama security gadgets, izinto zokulalela abantu, izinto zokwenza lokho, ngoba uyasebenza ukwazi ukuthi wenzani, uthi kuhambisana nomsebenzi. Ungathi ke siliphethe kahle hlehle. Yabona ke la emalini ngoba inkampani namhlanje kukhona lento okuthiwa ama global companies. Inkampani uyabona kukhona asuka la eSouth Africa kwathiwa iyokwenza into kunenye into enziwayo lapha nami engayazi. Kwazona ifundiso lezi ezemva kwami kuthiwa ama stock exchange. Yayo join stock exchange le phesheya. Nathi ngiyakhala kwezinye insizwe ngathi zinolwazi lwe-economy. Kuthi ayibo ihamba kanjani le nkampani? Bangiphendula futhi ngamagama amakhulu. We are looking at the economy of scales. Ngeke ngikutshela namhlanje usho ukuthini leyo nto. Ngatshenwa lokho nami ngathi oh lena ke ikelo nami ngizoyibona. Leyo nkampani ngoba isile ithengwe ezinye inkampani manje yahamba zup ayikuseyo nase South Africa. Ngoba kuthiwa kukhona global economy of scales. Lezo nkampani omunye ucomrade ofundile lapha izolo eMaritzburg ubezibiza ukuthi ama-monopoly companies. Angazi ukuthi kusho ukuthini ku-monopolize. Kodwa usho njalo nami ngamuzwa ukuthi hayi noma ngingasazi isingisi kodwa ngiyamuzwa. Monopoly companies kusho ukuthi ziyamonopolize lesi. Now benze njani? Uma kuyinkampani yangaphandle noma yabala kodwa abazazi ukuthi abangaphandle, uma yenza ama-profit iyayithatha leyo mali iyoyibhenka kubo. Sisale thina imali yethu asale encane nje yokuqhuba business nencanyana. Yibo ke laba abafisa ukuthi South Africa iphathwe ngendlela ethile. Okuthi thina ngoba sifuna ukuthi umcebo ubuyele kithi sesizitha.
Sherry was talking about the polls and also the results that they are finding or they are seeing so far, since you know that we have the elections on November, that the MKP is doing an amazing job. You know, according to what the man was talking about, it's like according to their polls are not 100%. It's just like a clue that will at least give you something to think about. So it's like they gain around 38, if I'm not mistaken, of this. I don't know what they call it. This is why I don't like to talk about politics, because I don't know much about it. I do know much about it, but I just can't, explain this. I do know a lot about it. Yeah. If you managed to watch this video up until where we are, thank you so much. Make sure you like this video and share your comment at home and subscribe to this channel so that each and every time when I bring you videos like this one, they come direct to you as a notification. I'll see you next time with another video. Thanks. Bye.